release of the comments of the defense. In this case, there's a team of the respondent, Vice President Sara Duterte, her comments on the articles of impeachment. Then thereafter, the House prosecution team will be also be releasing their response. So from there, we hope that the Senate can schedule already the pre-trial. Pre-trial, this is basically the laying down the ground rules, markings of evidence, the identification of potential witnesses from both sides. And that would actually give us an idea how the flow of the impeachment trial would go. So sa ngayon po, yun po yung ating binabasihan na timeline na ayun po naman sa Senado ay nag-identify na nga po sila o na-determine na nga po nila actually yung deadline nung resubmission nung comments ng defense, which is, I guess, June 1, and then thereafter, the response of the House prosecution team. So we are also encouraging everyone to be actively monitor the impeachment trial. Ito po ay sagradong duty, hindi lang ho ng House of Representatives, through the House prosecution team, being the prosecution team, but not only also the Senate, sitting on as impeachment court, but ito po ay pinag-usapan po natin dito yung konstitusyon, yung accountability mechanism ng Constitution, which all of us actually are stakeholders. So I think proper lang din po na ihikayatin natin ang publiko na makilahok at makinig at magbantay at mag-evaluate din po at tingnan po kung ano yung magiging takbo ng House impeachment trial. Marami pong salamat.